Bathing in luxury, doorless walk-in showers show the way. When crafting the perfect bathroom, homeowners increasingly turn to doorless walk-in showers to elevate their bathing experiences. The allure of these showers lies in their combination of functionality and aesthetic appeal. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the world of doorless walk-in showers, explore their advantages, and provide you with a plethora of design ideas to transform your bathroom into a spa-like oasis. Whether you're considering a bathroom remodel or upgrading your shower, read on to discover how doorless walk-in showers can help you bathe in luxury. Why choose walk-in showers? 1. Openness and accessibility. The first and perhaps most compelling advantage of doorless walk-in showers is their accessibility. Unlike traditional showers enclosed by curtains or doors, these showers are open and barrier-free. This design makes them an excellent choice for homeowners of all ages, including those with mobility challenges. With no step or barrier to navigate, doorless walk-in showers provide a safer and more convenient bathing experience. 2. Spaciousness and visual appeal. Beyond their accessibility, doorless walk-in showers offer a sense of spaciousness that can transform even the smallest bathrooms. The absence of doors or curtains allows for a continuous flow of tile or stone from the bathroom floor into the shower area, creating a cohesive and visually appealing look. The result is a bathroom that feels more luxurious and inviting. 3. Customization and design flexibility. One of the most exciting aspects of doorless walk-in showers is their customization. From the type of tiles used to the fixtures and accessories, homeowners can design a shower that reflects their unique tastes and preferences. 4. Versatility in layout. Doorless walk-in showers offer versatility in layout and placement within your bathroom. They can be seamlessly integrated into various bathroom sizes and shapes, allowing you to make the most of your available space. Whether you have a compact bathroom or a sprawling main suite, these showers can be designed to fit your specific needs and preferences. 5. Easy maintenance. Maintaining a clean and hygienic bathroom is essential. Doorless walk-in showers simplify this task. The absence of shower doors or curtains means fewer nooks and crannies for soap scum and mold to accumulate. Cleaning becomes more straightforward, requiring less effort and time, allowing you to enjoy your bathroom without extensive upkeep. Alluring walk-in shower design ideas. Now, let's dive deeper into some inspiring walk-in shower design ideas that will ignite your imagination. Natural stone elegance. Consider incorporating natural stone tiles like marble or travertine to create a walk-in shower with timeless elegance. The inherent beauty of these materials adds a touch of luxury to any bathroom. Pair these stone tiles with modern fixtures and sleek glass panels to balance classic and contemporary design perfectly. Zen Spa Retreat. Transform your bathroom into a serene spa retreat by embracing elements of Zen design. Opt for neutral colors, such as soft grays and earthy tones, to create a calming atmosphere. Installing a rainfall showerhead and adding pebble flooring can provide an authentic spa-like experience. Don't forget to include a wooden bench or stool to enhance the Zen vibe, offering a place to relax and unwind. Industrial chic. For those seeking a unique and trendy look, consider the industrial chic style for your walk-in shower design. Exposed pipes, concrete walls, and minimalist fixtures can lend your bathroom an edgy and urban appeal. Vintage-inspired lighting fixtures can complete the industrial look and create an atmosphere of understated sophistication. Tropical paradise. Escape to a tropical paradise every time you step into your bathroom by designing a walk-in shower inspired by lush rainforests and exotic beaches. Vibrant mosaic tiles featuring tropical motifs like palm leaves and exotic flowers can set the tone. Incorporating lush greenery through potted plants or a living wall can create a refreshing and invigorating space. Minimalist elegance. Sometimes, simplicity is incredibly chic. Opt for a minimalist walk-in shower design with clean lines, neutral colors, and sleek fixtures. Frameless glass panels maintain an open and spacious feel while ensuring a modern and sophisticated look. This design approach is perfect for those who appreciate understated elegance. Mediterranean escape. Transport yourself to the Mediterranean with a walk-in shower design inspired by the azure waters and charming coastal villages. Use shades of blue and white tiles to evoke the essence of the Mediterranean Sea. Add mosaic accents, terracotta fixtures, and wrought iron details to complete the look. It's like having a Mediterranean vacation in your own home. Vintage glamour. If you're a fan of vintage aesthetics, why not infuse your walk-in shower with a touch of old-world glamour? Use subway tiles with a twist, like beveled edges, and complement them with vintage-style fixtures and hardware. Incorporate a clawfoot bathtub or a vintage-inspired vanity to complete the vintage look. While the design of your doorless walk-in shower is crucial, it's equally important to consider practical aspects such as drainage, waterproofing, and proper ventilation. Be sure to work with a professional contractor or designer to ensure your dream shower is beautiful and functional. Maximizing comfort and safety. In addition to their aesthetic appeal and design versatility, doorless walk-in showers also prioritize comfort and safety, making them an ideal choice for homeowners seeking a bathroom that caters to their well-being. Let's explore how these showers enhance your bathing experience in terms of both comfort and safety. Easy entry and exit. Doorless walk-in showers eliminate the need to step over a high threshold or navigate a sliding or swinging door. This feature is especially beneficial for individuals with limited mobility, making entering and exiting the shower safely and comfortably easier. Seamless transition. The absence of barriers like shower curtains or doors provides a seamless transition between the shower area and the rest of the bathroom. This open design not only enhances the visual flow but also minimizes the risk of tripping or slipping, ensuring a safer bathing experience for all. Grab bars and seating options. Homeowners can easily incorporate grab bars and seating within their doorless walk-in showers to enhance safety and comfort. Grab bars offer additional support, while built-in benches or fold-down seats provide a convenient resting place, making it easier to enjoy a leisurely shower or accommodate individuals with mobility challenges. Universal design. Doorless walk-in showers align perfectly with the principles of universal design, which focuses on creating spaces that are accessible and usable by people of all ages and abilities. This design approach promotes comfort and safety for everyone in the household, regardless of physical limitations. Low-maintenance materials. Many doorless walk-in showers utilize low-maintenance materials for flooring and wall surfaces. Non-slip tiles or textured flooring options can be incorporated to prevent accidents caused by wet and slippery surfaces. Additionally, these materials are easy to clean and maintain, ensuring a hygienic and comfortable bathing environment. Final thoughts. Doorless walk-in showers represent a versatile and luxurious choice for homeowners looking to elevate their bathroom spaces. Whether you prefer the timeless elegance of natural stone, the tranquility of a Zen spa, or the edgy appeal of industrial chic, there's a walk-in shower design to suit every taste. With their open and accessible design, these showers can transform your daily bathing routine into a spa-like experience. So, why wait? Dive into the world of doorless walk-in showers and let your creativity flow as you design a bathroom that invites you to bathe in luxury every day. Thank you for watching till the end. Hope you liked it.